cuz.
What that is, blood?
All about them rocks.
Yo, man, what up? I just bought me the 3 G's today, dude. That right? Some Gazelles, some Gucci, and some Guess, bro.
Yeah, man, the house is rolling real tough, dude. Real tough.
Just got them fresh inkies on the Nissan.
Gotta go, dude. Money calls.
Hey man, you hear what happened to homeboy the other night?
Yeah, man, that was raw, man. That was real raw, man. He didn't have a chance.
You better watch your back in this neighborhood.
Been that way for a long time, man. That ain't cool at all.
Listen to the story as we rap to the beat.
As we educate you about life in the street,
Cause gang banging,
dope slanging.
Back for the head.
If you do it too long, you'll end up dead.
If you don't end up dead,
You'll end up in jail
living your life
in a concrete hell. Gang bang,
you're dead and lying in the street.
gang bang,
15 years old and a cold piece of meat.
gang
Now
bang,
tell me, brother, what you gonna do
gang bang.
when the corner puts the bag on you? Oh, you're standing on the corner selling weed.
Trying to earn money for the things you need.
you look like a waitress who works in the bar.
But you don't wait on tables, you wait on cars.
You don't carry a tray, you carry a bag.
A car passes by, you start to flag.
A car pulls over, then you make the drop.
And out jumps a badge and a narco cop.
Up against the wall,
And down to jail.
You can't go home cause
you can't make bail.
Your mother's at home,
constantly crying.
For fear that her baby
could be dying. Gang bang,
you're dead and lying in the street.
gang bang,
15 years old and a cold piece of meat.
gang
Now
bang,
tell me, brother, what you gonna do
gang bang.
when the corner puts the bag on you? You wear red rag,
Blue
And
rag
big shoelaces.
you drink 40-ounce brews.
by the cases.
You dress so tacky till you look like a slob.
And you wonder why you can't get a job.
You wear barrettes and you call yourself a man.
And you never wear the right size pants.
Your clothes are never fresh, they're always stale.
Who's your designer? The county jail.
You got secret words
And finger signs.
Twisted egos.
and warped minds.
Your grammar is bad and you think you're cool.
But if you listen to yourself,
You sound like a fool. Gang bang,
You're dead and lying in the street.
gang bang,
15 years old and a cold piece of meat.
gang
Now
bang,
tell me, brother, what you gonna do
gang bang.
when the corner puts the bag on you?
Ready? Go! Go!
back